Hello friends, I'm Lefteris. We are here at the factory at the end of the installation of the big laser machine that I bought from DXTECH. We just finished installation and training after 9 days with best engineer of DXTECH. We are using this machine to cut all kinds of metals: zinc, aluminium, copper, brass, carbon steel, stainless steel, from 0.4 like up to 30 millimeters carbon steel, and the cutting is perfect. We are using air to cut zinc or carbon steel up to 6 millimeters, and oxygen for 6 and 8 millimeters up to 12 and 25 and 30 millimeters cut. The samples are very good. The training was very good. The machine is very simple, but it has a lot of details that you need to learn to be perfect. And I think me and DXTECH are gonna go for a long connection here with this machine. And I truly thank them.